Hi, this is Tom Johnson, and I'm excited to be back with you again today as we start week number 5. It's hard to believe that we've already crossed the halfway point, and we're very quickly going to be wrapping this very important study of the Synoptic Gospels and the life of Jesus Christ. We're going to begin wrapping that up, but it's hard to believe how fast the time goes and how intense these courses can be in the 8-week format. I trust that you are learning and getting a real sense of what we're talking about with the synoptic problem, as well as beginning to get a real feel for the Gospels of the Lord Jesus Christ. And I'm sure you are. I want to really take a moment to commend you for the work that I have seen you producing in your discussion boards, in the quizzes, in papers that you've been writing. I'm really very, very pleased. I think a number of you have commented to me about the workbooks and how the workbooks really have served as a study tool. Not just a study tool to help you pass the quiz, but one student wrote me and said, I couldn't believe the quiz was so easy. And I asked the question, did you use your study guide? He said, I didn't have to because I had written it in the study guide. I knew the concepts. I knew the insight and information. I was able to complete the quiz without really going to my study guide at all. And in fact, made a very good grade. And this is what I'm seeing in from many of your quizzes, and that really is the point. As I often tell students, I'm not here to trick you. I'm not here to fail you. I want you to succeed. But that means you have to earn the grade. It means you have to do the work to draw in that information, to be able to take it in, to be able to think about it, to be able to interact critically with it, understand what the author is saying and the ramifications of that for us as theologians today. And I truly do think you're getting that. And so I'm very pleased and just want to encourage you with that word before I go further.